Yo, welcome back. Okay, so what we working on, because we got a little hypersensitive, blah, 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 tone twisting word. Hypersensitive knee. What we trying to do is build the strength in the knee so it can carry your weight. So when you use it to come upstairs, your knee bends, and you put the pressure on your thigh, which comes from your body, to your knees. So what we're doing is building them. So what we do is we got a resistance band, and we just working out. You know how it goes. What they say, hard work don't work, you don't eat. You don't eat, you don't get better. You don't get better, you're just gonna be stuck. Shout out to the ones. But yeah, it's a little workout for your knees and your thigh, because you is making sure you get all of this strengthening. Bear with me while I drink my water. No sponsor. Can't tell you who the water about, but it is cold because it's hot. I give you a little peep of this sign. Oh, whoop. Yeah, that's it. But anyway, we just working out. We just trying to get us stronger. Because like I said before, in the stroke, you lost all ability for everything. Because you have to build up everything. Yeah. Once you get done with that, you want to stand up. You're going to start your knee off. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What we doing, we working on the ankle also too. We building up all the strength in the knee and also in the ankle, on your heels, so you can have the strength. But it's repetitious. Like everything you do in life, what they tell you as a kid, practice make perfect. If you want to be perfect, you will practice. No practice mean you average. You study for tests, you pass sometimes. But if you don't study for tests, you're gonna fail. Well, sometimes too. But you have a greater chance of passing the test by studying than not passing it by not studying. So the same thing with a stroke. You have the best opportunity of getting better by working than not just working. Yeah. Trust me, motivation is hard to come about. It is not for the weak. Yeah. I hate that I gotta go through this. What do they say? What don't kill you will make you stronger. Remember that. What don't kill you will make you stronger.